How to delete Safari from iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Get towards the Safari app, press and hold on it. You will get different options. You'll get the option of Remove App. Click on it. Clicking on it, you'll only get the option from removing this app from the home screen, but you won't get the option to delete this app. As Safari is the default app in your iPhone, you are not able to delete this app. But what you can do is apply this trick. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to option of Safari, open it, now scroll down, click on the option of Clear History and Website Data, then check in for the option of All History, toggle on for the option of Close All Tabs, click on Clear History, then you can head back. Go to the main page of settings. Like any other third-party app in your iPhone, you are not able to delete the Safari, but you can apply this trick. So open this option of screen time. Now navigate to the option of content and privacy restriction. Click on the option of allow other apps. Now here you're going to find different app options. Also you will find the option of Safari over here. Disable for the option of Safari. And just for that, you have disabled for the Safari from your iPhone. This is similar to deleting the Safari app. So this way you can easily delete Safari from iPhone. Now I can close this. Now you won't find the Safari app in your device. You can search for it. You can see that it is not available. Well, this way you can easily delete Safari from iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.